Hello everybody, it's Mother Ego here. I just wanted to give you a little inspiration this morning. As we are in the new year, I would like you to challenge yourself and choose to have a better and easier life, a better and abundant life. Because not everybody is struggling. The idea that everybody is having a hard time is a lie. There are clusters of people out there who are having a real good time. The question is, how are they doing it? And the challenge for us today is to figure out, if your life isn't what you want it to be, figure out ways to make it different. And everything will start from your mindset. A quote came for me today. Let me read it. Knowledge is knowing the river flows downwards, and wisdom is going with the flow. Knowledge is knowing that the river flows downwards, and wisdom is going with the flow. Life has rules. They are universal laws. For example, the more you give, the more you receive. What you put out will come back to you multiplied. So if you have a bad attitude over things, you'll have bad attitude over things coming back to you in a magnified way. You are a creator. You are made in the image of God. So naturally you create things. You build and create, and it all starts with your mind. So if your mind is creating things you don't want in your reality, well, you have to change it, and it takes repetition. It's not an easy cycle to break, but it does break, because there are people who think in an abundance frequency. Everything they do is abundant. The question is, where is your frequency? What kind of mindset is happening? If it's producing low results, everything is broken, desperate in your life, then it's time to change it. Well, this is Mother Ego trying to inspire you today. Visit the website. There are plenty of courses and tools to help you. lifeandfinance.com. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.